Hey guys, welcome to the review. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 6s Plus. It's a 64 gigabyte model. This is not going to be a full review. It's just going to be my first impressions on the phone itself. And tell you a little bit about the differences between the iPhone 6s Plus and the iPhone 6 Plus. So the camera features a 12 megapixel camera. The photos come out a lot crispier just from taking a couple photos. There definitely is a difference. It features an A9 chip with 2 gigabytes of memory, and of course the new Force Touch display, which when you press down on the screen harder than usual, what you'll see is a menu that you can go scroll through and choose the best option. For example, on Instagram, you can choose to create a new post. And that's it, guys. Peace. See ya.